I'll show you how to add custom fonts to Elementor. First, make sure you have your font downloaded preferably in TTF format. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Elementor and click Custom Fonts. Click Add New and enter a name for your font. I'll just call mine Custom Font. Click Add Static Font. You'll see options for different file types. For TTF files, click Upload and select your font. Now, Elementor needs more than just TTF files to work smoothly across all browsers, so you'll need to convert your font to formats like WOFF, WOFF2, EOT, and SVG. Oh, you can use any conversion tools, but I'm using Cloud Convert to convert my fonts. I'll leave the link below of Cloud Converter in the description. Once your fonts are converted, upload each file to its designated spot in Elementor. Finally, hit Publish to save everything. Your custom font is now ready to use in Elementor.